Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode in the Gmail. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open Google. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable dark mode in Gmail. So open Gmail and log in. So go to the top right corner, click on Gmail, then go and click on the gear icon here, and then go in the quick settings. So see all settings, of course, as you can see. You need to go in, or when you click on here, of course, here you can go in also when you go just one back, click there. As you can see here, instantly you'll have a theme. You can go and click on view all on themes. And here you can go and click on the theme that you would, of course, like. Of course, you can go and put in a dark theme here, as you can see, and it will be, of course, dark, as you can see. But you're going to cancel it. Then you can click on here again to do whatever then you want. So again, themes. Then you can just go and click save to have a theme, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.